Here's the fan in my uncle's bedroom. This is Emerson. This is an Emerson Hardwood. This is an Emerson Hardwood installed in my uncle's bedroom. At first glance, I thought it was going to be a Nikon Master Builder or a craft made decorative, but it's actually an Emerson Hardwood. I almost even thought it was going to be an Emerson Builder. I'm a little surprised that it's going to be a hardwood, but oh well. It's still a fan. This is probably my favorite uncle on my mom's side. 5. I almost even thought it was going to be Quorum Q52, but oh well. Never thought they owned the wood housing fan, but oh well. I never thought they had this fan, but I thought it was going to be like a generic builder. Still pretty cool. Maybe better than the builder. 5. Here's the reason why I'm saying 5. It's just because I like that number. 5. I think that means 5 seconds. This is medium. Also great. 10. I almost even thought it was also Northwind Designer. I almost even thought it was Craft Made Decorative. 4. 5. Oh shoot. This is high speed. So this room is the only room upstairs that have vaulted ceilings. All the other rooms have low vaulted ceilings. Wow, this is... This is pretty nice. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. I'm going to show the airflow. Blows good amount of air.